Hello and welcome to another video of Gemini Enterprise AI-powered business outcomes. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about accelerated learning coach. If you have a subject that you want to learn and you want to have a quick crash course on the course, you can use this agent. This is one of my favorite agents, and I have seen a lot of customers using it. So let's see what it does. You can ask this agent to learn about, create a topic, create a course content to learn about a topic. In this case, I'm going to learn about Gemini Enterprise in 90 minutes. And what it does is it creates a comprehensive plan for you to learn about a subject in 90 minutes. At the moment, I'm focusing on Gemini Enterprise. But think of a topic you can learn about quantum computing or anything related to your business, and it focus on Pareto analysis. How can 80% of the value or 80% of the knowledge you can grab in 20% of time? So this is what the agent does. So this gives you the Pareto focus, 90 minutes, step-by-step code prompting, workspace integration, data processing, multi-turn reasoning, high efficiency resources, milestone and checkpoints, and pitfalls. You can obviously create longer courses, 2 days, 3 days long, to prove your mastered the generation test, refinement, integration, proficiency threshold. It gives you step-by-step details, and then you can export it to sheets. So export this to a document, a doc, and then you can export this as a document as well. So now let's see how to create this. In order to create this, you are going to go back to the Gemini Enterprise agents and click on new agent. Obviously it'll export to the document once done. So go to new agent, make sure you're in agent designer, click on proceed to builder. Get a little bit of more space by collapsing this, get the my agent, and then in the description section of the video below, I have pasted this accelerated learning coach, this link to the sheet, line number 9, accelerated learning coach. And all you have to do is just copy paste this agent title, description, and instructions on the screen. Let's do that. So I'm going to copy from the sheet here the name, the description, as well as the instructions. That's it. Make sure you are connected to the right model. You would also like to include Google search, and if there are other connectors that you might have, that's it. Voila. All you have to do is create an agent, and you can now, the agent is created successfully. Again, hopefully this helps. Let me know your thoughts on more agents. Thank you.